Hey guys, we're back in, yeah, we're back. And this time we are doing a quick build, actually 2 quick builds. Israel is doing this one, which is Lego Architecture London. Is it upside down? Nope. Lego Architecture. North. It's 12 and up, 468 pieces. And I'm going to be doing this one. Or this, over here.
And then I know the perfume, but I don't know the person that gives the perfume.
Yeah. This Lego Minecraft, the Polar Igloo. That.
Where's London?
It's right there.
Okay.
So we're going to be doing that this time, and
you can see all of the extra Legos from the last speed build over here. Look at that.
Yeah, we never cleaned it up.
We haven't actually. Even the box is still there.
I'm going to set up the camera.
Which one is mine? This one's mine.
So scoot the table and stuff over.
So both of us are going to be doing speed builds.
Yeah. And also, can you hold the camera?
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
For a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it's pointing the right way. There, yeah.
And we have to see the entire table.
Okay. So we'll see you guys in a bit. We'll start the speed part. Speedy Zaya. We're gonna start the speedy next. Stay tuned.
Yes. All right.
Hey guys, I just finished my first bag, which is really easy.
I'm still taking the pieces out.
Israel spent that entire time. Lord, yep. This time we did. I'll bring them up to the camera. Turn that. Sorry, need to do this. Boop. Boop. And what was that? That's something. Never mind. There we go. Here. Wow. Watch this. Put this one away. Watch. Roar. No, wait, sorry. Roar. Polar bear.
No, holy
Roar. Roar. Okay. Then here's the rest of it. We have like a stray with his bow, Alex with her sword and fishing rod, and a chest full with nothing in it, and a chest full of fish. So, yeah, we'll get back into hyper speed. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. We're back, and I just finished mine. It's just still working on his. I'll just leave and let Israel do it after I show you guys this.
In my defense, it's over 400 pieces.
That's a good defense. So, here's the finished set. This polar bear is trying to rescue its baby from a tree.
No, it's not trying to get into the tree.
No, it's trying to rescue its baby from the tree. Then right here we have Alex battling a stray, and then we can do this. Oh, and bye, polar bear. You can see inside. So when Alex is done fishing for the day, she can go inside.
She can go to the roof of her igloo.
Today, okay, she puts her sword away. Good night. Good night. Good night. Goes to bed in her bed. That. And then we can put the roof back on and have the polar bear still trying to rescue its baby. And then we'll have the stray trying to climb up a ladder. That's how I'm going to leave it to you. I'm going to keep the speed on until Israel finishes his build. See you guys later.
Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm sorry to take you out of speed so fast, but I just had to because it was starting to hurt. And I'm gonna go show you what I have finished of this. It's a lot of pieces and it took a long time to take out all of the pieces from inside of this box all the way down to where they are now. So this is what I got completed. For our next, we are going to have a part 2. And for our next speed build, we are going to do this. We do not want to do this one right here. So we want you to comment 1 or 2. I'll give you a good look at it. You can pause it if you need to. Say which one you think is best. Alright, I think that was good. So what you need to do now is comment, subscribe, like, view, anything helps. And yeah, so don't forget to comment on this Lego Creator Set. 3-in-1. Sorry, it's kind of backwards right here if you. It says Egel. You can read it. Alright, so We'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to go to bed!